Dear COSTAATT students, welcome to semester 1 of the 2020-2021 academic year. My name is Dr. Anime Edwards Henry, and I am welcoming you on behalf of the President of COSTAATT, Dr. Gillian Paul, and the staff of COSTAATT. We have a very unique and interesting semester ahead of us. It is unique because we are in the midst of this coronavirus pandemic, something that we could not have predicted last year. So it means that the way in which we do business has had to change. The way in which teaching and learning will be implemented this semester will be different from what occurred previously. Most of our courses will now be online, so it means that both our lecturers and our students have to prepare for this new normal. We have been using an online platform, the e-classroom, with which our returning students would be familiar to some extent. But to new students, this whole learning environment would be new and perhaps a little bit daunting. Notwithstanding, we will do everything in our power to ensure that we meet your teaching and learning needs. As a matter of fact, I believe in short order, you will be talking about synchronous classes in which we'll be using platforms like Zoom and Google Meet, right, where you have a virtual meeting with your lecturers. Or you may be talking about asynchronous classes where, as the e-classroom platform provides, you have a mechanism for having all your course materials available, including your course outlines, your assignments, your assessments. You upload your assignments through that particular platform. You will learn about Turnitin. This is how we assure the integrity of what you have submitted. In other words, it must be yours. There are some things that will be new to you in that environment. Time is going to be critical, and I'm saying time is new to a lot of people because deadlines are important to meet. When you are dealing with a system and you have deadline dates, you have time frames by which you must submit your assignments. The system will close off at the end of the submission period. And even if you are in the middle of an exam, it will cut you off. So you have to be very careful how you use and interact with the system. We will be there to support you all the way. One of the things I would like to focus on is, yes, you are in an online environment, but we don't only use online. Email is still valid, and as I mentioned, email, it is one of the important media. It's a medium of communication between the college and you. A lot of students do not use their COSTAATT email, and what I want to advise you is that you use your COSTAATT email address to communicate with all college staff. This is a very important practice, because the way in which the college communicates with you is via your email address, your COSTAATT email address. So this is going to be very important. As I say, if you have problems logging on, accessing your technology, if you have bandwidth problems or anything like that, please email your departments, email the college, and let us know what challenges you have. Because yes, although we are in a virtual environment, the internet or the e-classroom is not the only means of getting information to and from you. So it is important to let us know what is happening. I want to assure you too that the expectation we have of your performance in the online environment is the same as we would expect in the face-to-face environment. So what should you do as a new student? You have to be able to manage your own affairs. You have to be disciplined. You have to go online and get your courses or see your courses in the e-classroom. Everybody must access the e-classroom at some point in time. And we have some very special information there for you. Before you actually access your classes, please look at the e-classroom preparation course for online learning that was specifically designed for you to help you through the process. Also, you have in the e-classroom as well the Moodle 101, in which you are taught how to navigate that particular platform. Let me welcome you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So all the best to everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy. Remember the guidelines of the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Education. These guidelines are put for all of our benefit. So I would admonish, wash your hands frequently, use hand sanitizer, keep away from crowds, and most importantly, wear your mask at all times. Even when somebody comes to visit you, not only when you leave home, but when people come to visit you, please put on your mask. So all the best for semester 2021-10. Thank you.